Hey guys, I'm just going to create a quick video on how to create kind of a mock-up of a model or just a sweatshirt or t-shirt with your t-shirt design on it. So if we go to mockupworld.co or just search mockup world in Google, mockupworld.co, and then we can actually browse here and then go to fashion and apparel. You can also enter like t-shirt or sweatshirt here, but and then they have like, you know, baby onesies. And here's one that's like a big shirt mock-up bundle. So you can come here. And you never really know exactly what you're getting until you like actually download it. But this is a file type of a PSD, which is probably going to work best for you. Because then you can use Photopea or Photoshop, depending on, you know, like if you have Photoshop at home, you can always just use Photopea. Sometimes the stuff that they have in here is a little, you know, you kind of wonder what's going on, because everyone looks a little bit different, but I'm going to just go ahead and download this. Oh, see, sometimes they ask for like different things, so you're just going to have to kind of search around. But I did actually find one that was a true, like, you can actually download this, and I believe it was like a sweatshirt one. We could go here too and see what goes on with this. Like I said, sometimes they're good and sometimes they're not. It's kind of like almost like a free font. Like sometimes you go when you're at the free font website and then you go to download it and you're like, oh, this isn't what I thought it was. So we can allow this, and then we can open these up. So I'm still kind of downloading. I found a crew neck sweatshirt that's a zip download. This is also a zip download. So this is the t-shirt mock-up we just downloaded. So let's take a look at this PSD with t-shirt in it. And that'll open up in Photoshop. You can also bring this easily into Photopea. I'm just going to make this bigger now. Okay, I have a lot of stuff open in here for some reason, so I'm just going to move these out. Okay, so this is kind of the PSD file. They're all going to be a little bit different, but basically I think you can change. I'm going to bring this out a little bit, see what's all in here. So I think maybe this color fill might be the background color. So it says BG right here. This is kind of like the inner part of the, but you can change the color of that here. So like, let's say I want to make this red, and I can copy this number here and actually change the color here of the t-shirt here and just do Command V to get that same red. And then there's going to be a couple different places that I'm going to have to change. So probably here as well. Let's see, just gotta kind of, these are the sleeves. So we'll have to change that color. Every template's going to be a little different. Okay, here's that sleeve. Let's change that color, Command V, paste that same red in. I'm kind of trying to figure out where. So the right and the left sleeve. Here's the mock-up. So we'll probably want to change this color as well, Command V. Update that. So we probably, if we want to change the color of, I would believe we would do it, let's see, possibly possibly right in here somewhere. Let's make this bigger so we can see what's going on. So this is the part that we change. So I wonder if this color, let's see. This is where you change the color. Okay. And so I think we need to bring in our mock-up with the same color background behind it. So if we're in Illustrator and we have, say I want to make a t-shirt out of the swan, let's just, maybe there's a layer here that's probably locked. Okay, close this up. Maybe I'll just delete this background here. And let's see, let's look in here. So this is probably maybe a PNG file. So let's go into AI. Let's say that this is my my t-shirt design. I can actually delete these if I just okay, so basically I've done that. Let's just put in this one color in the background. Can't I? Using the shape tool. I'm not having very much luck today for whatever reason. Must be on a bad layer here. And then we can just fill this with that red color. So getting that background color filled in with the color of the shirt, oops, with the color of the shirt that I want. Making sure that's behind everything. Let's see what's going on here. And then let's see if I can get, okay. I just need to get this filled in with white. There we go. And then if I do a file, export as, let's just put it on our desktop for now as a PNG. I'm going to use my artboards and export that out. High resolution. Since we have the color in there, I don't think it really matters. Push OK. And then let's go into Photoshop and then let's replace this file with file, place embedded. Let's go to our desktop, find that swan, place that in, and then turn this eyeball off. Maybe let's size ours up a little bit. Command T. Say I want it about this big. And I can always also push return, and I can also fill in the background or just use the marquee tool and then edit. Or use the paint bucket tool, wherever that is. Or actually, Command D. We can actually use the shape tool to create a shape and then fill it with this color. Or actually, it almost doesn't look like the right color. And then we'll just move this one down here. Can Command T that to make it bigger. Command T that. There we go. Something like that. Okay, and then we can save that, Command S. Go back into our t-shirt PSD, and there it is. We might have to get back on our swan, Command T, and actually size it down quite a bit more, actually. I want to actually go here to this rectangle and do Command T and just make it one of these, and then delete this one, and delete this, and then put this on top, and then center it, and then try Command S again. Go back into T-shirt PSD and just see how that changes it. I'm on the wrong thing here. So I'm not sure. Maybe I need to kind of size down the swan a little bit more. Command S. And it does size it down in real time too. It's looking pretty good. So that's kind of how that's done. And then for a grade, I would like you to do a file, export as, and just export this out as a export, or let's just do a save as, and export it out as a JPEG. Desktop. Save. Make sure it's high resolution. And then also file save as a PSD file for your own records. I don't require the PSD Photoshop file of your t-shirt, but you might want to keep it for yourself. And that's it.